Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We're still on BLM, south of Joshua Tree. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. A bit windy, but yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna fix me some lunch. What do you think, Moo-moo? I know you already had lunch. My turn. So I've already assembled my sandwich. It's a turkey, ham, and cheddar sandwich, but I'm gonna grill this. And for my sides, I'm making sauteed Brussels sprouts. Looks yummy already. I hear the food sizzling in the background. Too bad there's not smell-o-vision because it smells delicious. I can't wait to eat. This morning I did start with my lemon water, and then an hour later I had 4 bananas. So, while I'm sauteing these in avocado oil, I added some sea salt and also curry powder because I wanted it more of a curry style. And I'm adding some lemon juice into it. It's gonna be so yummy. I think they're about ready. Alright, grilling my sandwich now. It's gonna be so yummy. Doesn't that look yummy? Nothing like sauteed Brussels sprouts. Also, look, grilled cheese. Oh, awesome. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my food. And then I'll see y'all in a little bit. You want to see who?
Moo-moo.
She is napping. It is her midday siesta. Siesta?
Yeah.
It means nappy time, like taking a break. Are you taking a siesta, Moo-moo? No? Okay. Yeah, she's awake. I'll let her go outside. Go ahead, go outside. Good girl. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you can play with Moo-moo for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here. Up.
So what's up, Moo-moo? Did the kids stop playing with you? You just sunbathing? You want to go for a bike ride? Huh? Bike ride? Yes? So the kids and I are doing a little exploring. They're a little faster than their sister. Here she comes. I'm gonna need you to hurry up, ma'am. What is all that? Good job. If you can reach here, I'll give you a high five. Here you go. Good job. Yay. We all have to work at our own speed. How do you feel?
Tired. And pain.
It's good. It's good for you. Exercise is always a good thing for you.
Uh-huh.
How do y'all feel?
Great! Awesome. Big boulders.
Big boulders? Okay, yeah. So the next thing we're going to go explore are those big boulders. It's not too far, so. And then we'll turn around and then y'all can play at the base camp.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, let's run some more, like back and forth.
You just got so much energy, don't you? Okay, that deserved a 5-minute break, yeah? It's so beautiful out here.
It's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. What do you think, Moo-moo? Huh? She's like, I want to run some more. What did you say? You found some fool's gold in there? Little sparklies? Oh yeah, I see them.
Everywhere.
Very good.
Thank you.
Oh, look at these.
Watch out, there's bumblebees.
Yeah, but look at them. They have like some kind of pods on them.
You know what
That's
they look
like beans.
Yeah, we're about to say that. Come on, baby.
What'd you say? You found some rabbit poop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look like rabbit poop.
And there has to be rabbits because there's a big den and these
Right.
rocks.
Alright, y'all be careful. Oh my god, look at that huge boulder of quartz. This is quartz. I think that's the biggest one I've seen.
Looks like it's watery. It might be crystals in there too.
Could be. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to get over here where you can be watched, please. Thank you very much. Moo-moo. You're not setting a good example, Moo-moo.
There's these little
Do what?
This looks like the big one.
Yeah, that's like a small quartz.
Yeah. There's gray in there.
What is that? That is, you didn't find that.
No,
Did someone give that to you?
yeah, what's his name?
Homer. Homer, okay.
Gave it to me.
Very good. Yeah, that's the one of the bean pods that I was seeing. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so what did you find here?
I found some shotgun shells.
Well, this is the one that Homer gave you. So, alright, and
But I
that's
found these
not
up
real, by the way.
Yes, it is.
I know, but it doesn't have gunpowder in it. It's
yeah.
just a keychain. Okay. So anyways, so you found these empty ones. That's pretty cool.
They were up there on the top.
So she wants to see those. That's pretty cool. Are you going to keep those?
I might keep one.
Okay.
No, you should keep them. You can show.
Well, you'll have to show your mom and see if she allows you to keep them. So you need to ask her first.
Well, we kept a big long so what is it called? Nail.
Oh, did you?
We found that at Salvation Mountain.
Oh, cool. Well, she might let y'all each keep one. So you have to ask her though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which way are we walking?
We're going to continue on right there where your sister is. Ew, we got all dusted. Yeah, you're right. You're on the right side. Thank you for holding Moo-moo.
That's not a car.
I need you to be a little louder. Good job. All right, so we made it back and we did 1 mile. Congratulations, kids. Say yay. So Mama says that she wants to keep them for herself. Oh, lovely earrings, girl.
I don't even have to I can just put them right in my ears.
You know you wearing dirt?
Did you say dirt? You know there's dust all around us. We are in the desert. Okay, they're not working because I'm blocking them, but hold on. Wait, here you go.
They're so cute.
That's cute.
They're adorable. He said he got those at Forsyth Tent.
That's so funny.
Look, one's a cute little hummingbird.
Put your hand under it. It feels
And this
weird
one's a
when
little
they're moving.
dragonfly. It does
Put your hand under while they're moving. Feel it? It feels weird.
So are y'all ready to leave tomorrow?
I guess so.
Okay, because we're going to be going to Dome Rock
Okay.
for that camper fest thing.
Hard shell camper.
Yeah,
Fest.
right. So if you're wondering what I was just talking about, it is actually a gathering that they're having at Dome Rock. It's already started. I believe it started Monday, but it's going all the way through the weekend, and we're going to get there tomorrow, which is Thursday, so it'll give us 4 days there. I'm not sure exactly how big the event is. I think it's a smaller event where hardshell campers like casitas and that meet up, but they say everybody's welcome, and there are going to be a lot more people there camping, so yeah, we're going to go and see what it's all about. Right, Moo-moo? Yes. Shake it off, honey. Smoochies. Someone sent me this picture a while back ago and I forgot to share it with y'all. So, take a look. So you should never park your RV like this, and this is definitely not an amphibious RV. So there is one more picture that I do want to share with y'all. It is a picture of a kitten that someone sent me. Release the Kraken! Meow!
Do it, and then I'm gonna start it.
At the next camp.
What is the food cooking anyways?
It's chicken breast and kielbasa.
Oh, cool.
Lots of different seasonings. Primarily like a very mild Cajun, and then I brought extra Cajun
Oh, cool.
and chili pepper fix for those who want it hotter.
It sounds yummy.
And there'll be potatoes. Dana's frying up potatoes and green onions to put in.
So what are we doing here, ma'am?
Frying up some potatoes and onions, a little Cajun style. We're going to add them to the kielbasa and chicken that's going on out there at the fire
Cool.
pit.
And then also salad
Oh
here.
yeah, I'm making up a salad, cutting up some lettuce and carrots and all that stuff.
And this is what the dogs do. Patiently wait around. You too, Banjo. Hello. I just got this new speaker. It's a 1500 watt, so it should be pretty loud if we decide to have a dance party. Wow, that's a big dog. Huge.
So
well taken care of.
Yeah, I'm sure he's fine. He's probably someone's around here.
The dog whisked on that thing we made.
He peed on the structure?
Yes.
Oh no.
Over here.
Oh yep, he did mark your structure there. Oh
Now
well.
he marked his territory. Please, everyone. Yep, come here.
Got my awning light on. And the sun has set. It's beautiful. Alright, time to test this. Put the switch on. So it does have an LED light in it, which is pretty cool. Okay, there it goes. It gets pretty loud too, so. Dance party time! Well, I'm almost done with my soup. Well, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everybody. I love y'all out there. Bye for now. Mwah.